Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites: power level close to the raid cap and a 6-player team that knows roles. Once done, organize who will take the sword, who handles orbs, and who focuses ads. Make sure to equip high-impact weapons and heavy ammo before jumping in, because efficient ad control speeds the run. You're doing this to maximize clear speed and loot chances, so coordinate quick wipes and resummons rather than slow, chaotic attempts. You now focus on the complex middle: platforming, orb routing, and synchronized damage windows. Once the platforming and economy are stable, push through ads and use supers to clear shrines and knights so the team can reach Crota cleanly. Make sure to time the sword bearer's damage with the team's heavy abilities and staggered cooldowns, because coordinated high damage during the kneel window is how you drop his HP fast and create loot opportunities for everyone. Finish by executing the final kneel cycles and maximizing DPS during each damage window so Crota dies cleanly. Once down, check the post-encounter rewards and chests immediately. Loot tables often grant the word of Crota there. If you don't get a drop, don't panic, reset the raid and run again or attempt challenge/charms that raise drop odds. One troubleshooting tip: if wipes are frequent, simplify rolls and rehearse sword runs until
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.